Hey friends, if for some reason you have changed the default language of your Microsoft Word from English to something else and you wish to change it back to English, then it's not a problem. I will help you with it. Now, it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Click on File, select Options. Now, select Language here. And then after selecting language, you can easily select English as a display language and select as set as preferred. But if you want it for office or ordering languages and proofing, there are many types of English. It's not just English United States, but many others. For example, let's say English Australia. Just set it as preferred, and that will become the original proofing language. Also, you may have to add language here if you don't find English. Then scroll down and select the correct English. We just have a few of them, like we just have two of them, English UK and English United States. So you can select the one that works for you if it is not present, and once it is installed you can again set it as preferred as I have shown you earlier. Basically any language that is in this list can be set as a preferred language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.